good question. How the thunderstorm? Did you know that the lightning have a full of rain and bam bam bam? And when you hide this house, lightning will come. When you cover when you have a tornado. When you have when that smoke tower broken, it look like thunder lightning. Did you know as a thunderstorm? That's right. A lightning rain storm. Whoa. First, you have to stay in home so the thunder lightning cannot hear inside your ears. When you pass by to your car at home, you can run. And when you hide the basement, and you have to hide from the thunder lightning. You have to don't go outside with the thunder lightning. You have to stay home and stay healthy. I gotta go to the table beside chairs. Let's go to brother to look at the thunder lightning inside in that window and in that window. See you later. Bye.